Hey guys, welcome back to our next YouTube video. But today I'm gonna do a video in my how to series. Today I'm gonna talk about how to increase your watch time on YouTube. Yeah. So today I'm just gonna give some tips and legit ways how to increase your watch time by far. So let's get into the video. Remember, like, share, comment, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Yeah, I write them down. So the first tip I have for you right now, I'm just gonna straight into the video, is to create a playlist. If you have more than 10 videos, create a playlist and have it on your channel. This really helps because if a person visits your channel and you can recommend them to your playlist. So once you start watch your playlist, you watch all your videos come straight down. So say each video is like 10 minutes and you have 10 videos that are 10 minutes. So you see right there, I got a lot of minutes to watch. So yeah, first thing, try to create a playlist if you have more than 10 videos. Yeah. And next thing guys, this is very crucial that I want to point out. Create good thumbnails. Not clickbait though, because we don't want to mislead people, but create good thumbnails. Thumbnails work because once a thumbnail look attractive and that is what your content is about, people are going to click on it. And once people click on it, you don't know. They want to watch it because you have put up good quality content. So create good thumbnail that reflect your content accurately. Yeah, that really works, people. But I recommend everybody to use good thumbnails and also your titles. Yeah, write on good title for your video. Like example, how to ride a bicycle. See it, and then you have a good thumbnail with a bicycle. Or somebody a chair ride with a bicycle or something. Yeah, man. Next, use cards on the video. A little pop up something them. You see, me I put one right here saying on my video. You see that? One of them there. Use those in your video also because they suggest your content. So now while you watch this video, me have a card that suggest one of my other videos. Then the drive watch time, same a lot of watch time. And next thing, also create videos based on modern, then call it long tail keywords. Alright, what does long tail keywords mean? Long tail keywords are keywords that are like a sentence. Like you know say, how to watch videos on YouTube on my computer. That's a long tail keyword because it's long. But it's still a keyword. A keyword is a word that is in your video's description or is a search word. Like we don't type in how to use YouTube. That is a keyword. Yes, but you should always try to use long tail keywords or build content that uses long tail keywords on YouTube. Yeah, so definitely try that out, guys. That it works very well. Yeah, and the next thing, as me always say, create good content. Don't mislead nobody. Don't say I make video about cooking when you put up something about fishing. That just don't make no sense. People are getting misled and then I'm gonna come back to your video. And if you know about the YouTube algorithm, alright. If you don't know the YouTube algorithm, the algorithm is the software that YouTube use to suggest your videos or videos to people. So for example, watching this video, you're gonna see some videos to right that's gonna suggest which videos to watch next. That's the YouTube algorithm suggesting. So it look at what you watch and then suggest videos. So that is basically what drive views on a video. The YouTube algorithm. So the steps I give you the tips. If you follow those correctly, the YouTube algorithm will reward you with more people coming into your channel. And more people come to your channel and they like what they see, you get more views. And if the algorithm sees that people like your videos, it's gonna continue to reward you. And more people, you're gonna get more subscribers. That's why you see most people with a lot of subscribers, a lot of views. Even if I don't have a lot of subscribers, but they have a lot of views, it's YouTube algorithm. Because it's like, for example, one person buy KFC and say, yeah, I like KFC. And you go and tell somebody, and that person like and say, you don't know what, I like KFC. That person tell another person, tell another person, tell, you know, look, 100,000 people start liking KFC. And then that 100,000 tell the next 100,000. That's how the YouTube algorithm work. Well, I am still working on all the best ways to trigger the algorithm. Yes. So you might be saying, hey, the more don't have a lot of views, but it's still suggesting about the algorithm. Yeah, because I'm still learning about YouTube and how to use the algorithm to my advantage. But the tips that I gave are the most effective ways I see so far. You even can check out my YouTube shorts and look at the views on them. I have one that with about 13,000 views in space of like a week on YouTube shorts because I have learned how to trigger the algorithm on YouTube shorts. Yes. So I'm working on my own channel, how to trigger it on my channel. So the same information that I just gave you is the same information I'm applying to my channel as well. Yeah, I'm doing this because I want to see everybody successful on YouTube. Because, well, we're family at the end of the day, right? Yes, so guys, remember, get the thumbnails them right, your titles, use keywords, especially long tail keywords. Yes, those really work. And just when you upload a video, just try open another channel and try search for your video and see if you see a video. If you don't see it, I don't know, see there's something wrong with your keyword. If you're scrolling, I can't find a video, something wrong. Change the title, look on the description. Oh yes, and in the video description, make sure the first two lines have in keywords in it, what your video is about. That is very important also. So yes guys, this is just how to get more watch time on YouTube with some pro tips. So until next time, see you in the next one.